So guys, sharing is here one more time came on the LeetCode Camp channel. So in today's video we are solving our 601 question by the name of human traffic of stadium, and this is also a one hard one question which we are solving in today's video, and we are solving this question in MySQL. Okay, in MySQL we are solving this question 601 question by the name of human traffic of stadium, and in today's video there are some of the topics are also been included by the name of one topic has been only been included by the name of database. So yeah, we are solving this question in today's video. And one more thing I want to tell you that if you do not follow me on my WhatsApp channel, so go and follow me, and you do not access my LinkedIn profile till now, so go and follow me on my LinkedIn link is in my description, so go and follow me on my LinkedIn. Okay, now anyways, let's move to computer screen and let's start to solve this question 601 question. So let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, let's start with today's video, and we are solving a 601 question by the name of human traffic of stadium. Okay, so now let's start to solve this question, but it I will give you a SQL scheme and this scheme pandas schema. So let's see the SQL scheme. This one SQL scheme, and this one pandas scheme. Here you can see it. Now it is one table of a stadium, okay, in which there is a column name by the name of ID, visit date, people, and the ID type is int, okay, means integer, and the visit date type is date, and then the people column type is int also. Visit date is the column with the unique values for this table. Each row of this table contains the visit date and visit ID to the stadium with the number of people during the visit. As the ID increases, the date increases as well. Okay. Now, we want to write a solution to display the records with 3 or more rows with consecutive IDs, and the number of people is greater than or equal to 100 for each. Okay, so this is our task, and we want to return the result table ordered by visit date in ascending order. In the ascending order. The result format is in the following example. If you see the example 1, here you get one table of a stadium in which there is a ID like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there are the visit date like 2017 1, 2017 1, 2, 2017 1, 3, 2017 1, 4, and there are 5 ID, 6 ID, 7 ID, and 8 ID. There are means in the 2017, in the first month of first day, here there are 10 peoples, and then in the 2017 year first month second day there is a 109 people, then in the third day there is 150 people, then in the fourth day there is a 99 people, and then in the fifth day there is a 145 people, and then in the sixth day there is a 1455 people, and then on the seventh day there is a 199 people, and then in the ninth day there is a 188 people, and the output has been coming like in the fifth day 145, sixth day 1455, in the seventh day 199, in the ninth day 188. Why this type of output I am coming? Because the 4 rows with the IDs 5, 6, 7 and 8 have consecutive IDs, and each of them has greater than equal to 100 people attended. Note that row 8 was included even though the visit date was not the next day after row 7. The rows with IDs 2 and 3 are not included because we need at least 3 consecutive IDs. Okay, so that's why this type of output has been coming. So I hope you understand the question. So this only one ID, only one example in today's solving video, and we want to write a solution to display the records with 3 or more rows with consecutive IDs, and the number of people is greater than or equal to 100 for each, and we want to return the result table ordered by visit date in ascending order. So I hope you understood. So now let's try to solve this question in MySQL, and total 2,68,000 people has submitted and only 1,33,000 people has accepted in total, and there is only one topic has been included by the name of database. Okay, so now let's start to solve this question anyways. So now this is a hard one question in MySQL which we are solving. So we define our MySQL query statement below here. Select ID, visit date, comma people from get the space, select multiply sign, or you can also use a star sign over partition by consecutive as count. Okay, from one more time define here. Select multiply ID minus row number over, okay, define here order ID as consecutive, enter, define here from stadium where people greater than equals to 100 t and sorry, okay, so do not close it, okay, close it here, t then t2, okay, let me see one thing, okay, here we define, okay, do not here write this rounded bracket, erase this from here, okay, enter, back where count greater than equals to 3, ordered by ID, perfect. So now the last thing is to run this code. So when I run this code, so the running code has been, let's see, it has been accepted. You can see it, our output has been coming same as has been expected. So now last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, so now submission code has been also be accepted, and I beat 23.37% people. So let's page the solution, easy solution beats 23.27%. For more explanation, visit Rayyan YouTube channel. So now let's paste this fire emoji also here. Perfect. Post this solution. So you can see in today's video we saw question number 601 by the name of Home Traffic of a Stadium. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to all the notification bell also. And if you want to view my profile, so go and view it there. This is my profile here, you can see it. So go and view my profile here also, and then come on to my LinkedIn profile. If you did not view my LinkedIn profile till now, so go on my LinkedIn profile. Here is my LinkedIn profile, write Rayyan. Here you see this is my profile, so click onto my profile. This is my profile by the name of Rayyan, and here I will post daily. Okay, here you can see it, and I have also give you here my WhatsApp channel. So here you can see it. So here you can see it. So you can click and also access my WhatsApp channel from here easily. You can see it. You can click onto the view channel, and then you will be also view my channel also easily. So I hope you enjoyed today's video in which we saw question number 601 by the name of Home Traffic of a Stadium. So now let's meet in the next video. Amazing video. So for today, goodbye.